Hi there students, wish you be safe and sound. Today we are going to talk about the endocrine system in human beings. First of all, an overview. Endocrine system is a ductless gland that secretes a kind of chemical materials named hormone. Hormones are messenger molecules and circulating in the blood. Then they can find their targeted cells, and the target cells are responding to the hormones by the help of the receptors they have, and the effect of the hormones on the target cells are dependent on the pre-programmed response, and hormones are just molecule triggers. Endocrine organs. First of all, pituitary gland. This gland is responsible for producing growth hormone, prolactin, gonadotropin, and also controls the adrenal cortex and also thyroid hormones releases. GH or growth hormone is responsible for growth of skeletal, muscle, and also bones. Prolactin is known as PRL, and this is the hormone which stimulates the milk production after the pregnancy of a woman, and also gonadotropic or gonadotropin are regulators of the sex organs activities. Posterior pituitary gland is a gland which is responsible for producing oxytocin, which helps the women during the pregnancy, and also antidiuretic hormone which is known as ADH, and this kind of hormone is inhibiting the urine production. But if a person uses alcohol, this alcohol is inhibiting or causing that the ADH cannot affect on the urinary system, and the increase of the urinary system or the urine can increase during the usage of alcohol. The other one is thyroid gland, which is producing thyroid hormone, and this hormone controls the rate at which glucose is burned and changed to energy inside the cells, and also calcitonin, which is decreasing the calcium level in the blood, and parathyroid gland is producing parathyroid hormones or PTH, which is regulating the calcium level in the blood. If the level is too down, then this kind of hormone orders that the bone should be broken down and the calcium should be extracted. Adrenal gland has two parts. The first one is cortex and the other one is adrenal medulla. Cortex region is responsible for regulating the mineral in blood, but adrenal is producing epinephrine and norepinephrine in order to help our body during the stressful situations. The other gland which we are going to talk about is pancreas. Pancreas is producing two kind of hormones. The first one is insulin and the other one is glucagon. Insulin increases the glucose uptake into the cells and stores in the liver. It means when your blood has got a high level of glucose, then insulin is working and storing it into the blood and also into the cell. But glucagon is responsible for breaking down the glucose from the liver when the level of the glucose is down on the blood or the circulatory system. Pineal gland is producing melatonin, which is controlling the body's days and nights cycles. Thymus is the other gland which is producing thymosin, and this thymosin hormone is responsible for programming the T lymphocyte cells. And finally, gonads. Gonads are responsible for sex hormones, and androgen is female reproductive hormone, and it is regulating the sperm formation and also development of the male characteristics in a body. Then the estrogen is working as a female reproductive hormone. It means it is only in the women, and they are working to develop the characteristics of a female organism. Okay, this was all about the endocrine system. Wish you all have good days and nights with your respected families. Don't forget to stay home and save lives.